Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about a very important topic for all the students who are going to take admission this year, that is branch versus college. Which branch you should choose? You should prefer college or branch. So consider this factor before taking admission in any college and before choosing any branch. So I will discuss the same here, that is the branch of college, the fee structure of the college, placement percentage, education quality, average package, campus life, and the location. These are the main factors that you should look before taking admission in any college and before choosing any branch. So watch this video till the end to get all these points clear, that will help you to get admission in a better branch or in a better college. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get this type of information in future also. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section. And for many videos, check the I button as well as the description box. So let's start the today's video. With the factor that is brand of college. The first priority is of course brand, and it should be. That means the first priority all the student will give to the brand. That suppose if you getting NIT, IIT, then you will go for it. Any branch you will choose it because the brand of that will attract you more, and it will give you more respect in the society also, that you are studying in NIT or IIT or any top college of India. But the more important is your career, and career is defined by your branch, not by your college, because college will be with you only for 4 years, but the branch will be with you for whole life of and whole career. So don't blindly go for the brand only, and the brand will be only, I have said earlier that brand will only for 4 years, but the branch will be with you for all the time. That means for all the life. So before choosing the brand, think about your future. Will your future be safe after 4 years? Choosing the particular branch, think and then choose the brand or the branch of the college. So next is placement and education quality, the most important factors. This should be the most important factor in deciding the college or branch, the placement and the education quality. You should always prefer placement and education quality for any college, because this will define your whole career and this will give you a better opportunity in your life. And get the placement detail from net, or better to get this information from the student of the particular college. That means suppose you are going to take admission in a particular college, so it is better to get the information about that college from the student who are studying in that college, so that they will give you the real information that you can't find on internet. So get the information about teacher quality, that means the how the teacher teaches in that college. Is it good for your placement? Is it good for your career? So think about it, and also know about the teaching pattern, will it suit you or not. And the environment, the most important thing, the environment will define you for 4 years. The environment will give you exposure, will give you the opportunity to explore yourself. So know about the environment of the college before taking the admission. And the extra co-curricular activity and sports, that means someone have the passion of singing, dancing or sports. So know about the college that these type of facilities provided or not, and it will be provided by you best by the students that are already studying in that college. So try to contact them from Facebook, Instagram, from anywhere. And now the location and the campus life, it is also an important factor before deciding the college. So always try to get a college of better location. It will give you more exposure, and you will get a better opportunity to explore yourself, because you will get the better student, better group of students in a better location of the college. So better location will give you more exposure, as I have already said, and a better opportunity to explore yourself in any of the field. You will get there many type of students if the location is good. If the location is bad, then the less number of student, and you don't able to see good student because the number of student is less. So there may be some good student, or maybe no someone. So the next is a better location ensure you a better college life. That means a better location will give you a better environment, and if the environment is better, you will get all type of facility, all type of exposure to grow yourself as a human being. So don't try to go with brand only. As I have earlier said, brand will with you only for 4 years, but the career is all about your branch will decide your career, your job opportunity. So always prefer the branch over the college life is most important thing. So your college life should be better, and for better college life you should choose a college which have a good campus life and a better location. Now the next is fee structure versus average package. The fee structure should be comparable to average package. It means the fee structure of the college should not so much high according to their average package. Both should be comparable to each other. You should always look for average package, not the highest. Yes, that means the highest package will go to only one student, and you may not be that one student. So always try to find the average package of the college. That will give you an overview of the placement record of the college, and it will be provided to you by internet also, but better to ask the student which are studying, who are studying in that college already. Now, for example, with a fee of 1 lakh per year or more, a college should have an average package of 4 lakh or more. That means if you pay more than 1 lakh per year for your college fee, the college should provide you a placement of more or equal to 4 lakh per year. That should be the base of your comparison between fee structure and average package. And always try to get the college with lesser fee and better placement. All our students want the college with less fee, but try to find the lesser fee college with better placement. Don't compromise with the placement. If you have to pay some more fee, then go for it, but the placement should be there. You want the job. Suppose if you pay 4 lakh and you got the placement after 4 years, and someone pay 2 lakh and don't get the placement, which is better? The better is 4 lakh but with placement. So go always try to find the college which have a better placement. May you have to pay some extra fee, but it doesn't matter if you get the placement after 4 years. So next is, but don't compromise with the placement. As I have earlier said, the placement is the most important thing. If you have to pay some extra, then go for it. Don't worry, if you get the placement, all the problems will be sorted. The next is how to choose a particular branch. The most important thing, the first thing that comes for choosing a branch is your personal interest. That will help you to choose a better branch. Don't go for any branch because this will provide you better placement, or this, or my parents say that go for this branch, because you have to study. Your parent is not going to study, not going to do your assignments for 4 years. You have to do the assignment, and you will do the assignment in a better way if this the assignment will be with you with your personal interest. So choose the branch only with your personal interest in which you are interested, and then a better future. Which branch will give you a better future? Of course, you will need a better future after your BTech, so choose the branch which will provide you a better future after your BTech. So the next point is better placement. So choose the branch which will give you a better placement. So these are the factors you should try to find out the better branch you are suited with. So the next is match the syllabus and your interest. Try to find out the syllabus of that particular branch, and try to match with your personal interest, that you are going to do this type of course, you are able to do or not, your interest is there or not. So try to match these type of things. Analyze the outcome after 4 years. The most important thing, that is, the after 4 years you should have a better future. That's why you are doing the BTech degree now. So choosing the branch is also important for your future. So choose the branch that will provide you a better outcome after your BTech. So you can take CSC, IT or EC, anyone, but don't go for core branch just because of good college. As I have earlier said, don't go for a brand, go for the branch that will provide you a better placement. And nowadays the market is only for CSC, EC, IT. These are the IT sector branch, and this branch will provide you a better placement than the core branch. So if you are interested in getting a good placement, try to choose these three branch. If you getting some low standard college, don't worry, your branch will with you after 4 years. No one will ask you about your college. So choose the branch in these three only if possible, for a better placement and better future. And now in all the above three branch you have to do the similar thing, that is coding. And here comes your personal interest. If you are interested in coding, then go for this branch. And if you don't like coding, then don't choose this branch, because you have to code for 4 years to get the placement in this branch. So if your interest comes with this coding, then go for this branch. You will get a placement for sure after 4 years. Now the CSC versus IT or computer science specialization, that is artificial intelligence or uh, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer science, business system, and many more specialization there is. So what is the difference between CSC, IT or this specialization? The best placement among all branch in any college of India. This branch have the best placement record in any college of India. You will get the placement record which is best for this branch, and the best environment also. You will get the student which are good, because the cutoff for this branch will go higher for all the college. So the student with higher marks will with good minds, so you will get a better environment, better student, so you will grow more in that environment. And the next is better college life. You will be preferred by everyone, that is you are belong from CSC department, so you have an opportunity and better age over any other core branch student, and you will get the highest salary of the any other branch in your particular college. And but choose only if you are interested in coding. And I have earlier said that this branch is only for the student who are interested in coding, and coding will ensure you a better job after 4 years, that's for sure. And now for IT or CSE specialization, both have the same placement opportunity, almost similar environment, same college life, salary depend on your work, and again choose only if you are ready for coding. and this branch are the subset of CSC. That means if you take CSC, then you will study the whole thing regarding the computer science, but if you choose the specialization, you will study a particular branch of CSC. So these are the subset of CSC. But don't worry, if you get this branch, then even you will get a better placement than the core branch. So next is CSE, EC, IT, that is IT sector versus core branch, that is mechanical, civil, electrical, or any other. So the CSE, EC, and IT will give you a better placement opportunity, as I have earlier said. So instead of taking admission in good college, go for good branch. This is the most important thing. A branch will define your whole career. So go for the better branch that will give you a better education, better placement, and better future. Now because good college will remain with you only for 4 years, but good branch will be forever. As I have earlier, I repeat it again. So don't go for the brand, go for the branch. Next is, but if you are interested in higher studies, this is the main point for core branch student. If you are interested in higher studies or in preparing UPSC or government job, you can choose any core branch, because you don't go for the placement, you are going to get the BTech degree, and that you will get in any branch. So you can choose any branch if you are not interested in getting a placement after your BTech. And with core branch, getting placement is very difficult nowadays. As I have earlier said, with core branch you will get placement, but it is not sure. Even in good college, you will not sure for your placement if you are from core branch. But you can get placement with core branch also if you are doing hard work. That means you are parallelly doing both the study, that is your core branch study with the college, and the IT sector study, that is coding and any other the study related with the computer science. You will get the placement after 4 years in the IT sector. So don't worry, if you are getting a core branch, you can get placement, but you have to work hard. That is, you have to do both the syllabus, somehow lesser than CSE student, but you have to study the computer science course along with your core branch course. So that's it about the branch versus college, and I hope you will find it easier now to choose a college or a branch. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks.